Hello my friends, and in this video we're going to be going through how to build your thumbnails for your courses or lessons. Most platforms, ClickFunnels, Kajabi, Go High Level, and any other course platform that I have worked with, Thinkific and all of them, they use a very standard size. But when you go to design them, you're like, where do I get those numbers? I'm going to show you how to do it in a very simple way in a tool that you probably use, Canva. So most courses are actually a thumbnail size similar to a YouTube video. So when you come into Canva, you may have on the top the option to pick YouTube video. If you don't see it there, you can then on the top in here search for a YouTube video. So you can go, and that will bring different examples that you have probably work on or that you can get. You can click templates and it will show you. Yeah, I'm gonna show you initially how to do it. Or the other way that you can get there is right here on the top left, you have create. And in here you can find it under, again, YouTube thumbnail, or you can go to social media and look for YouTube thumbnail. So let's click there. And again, I am not a designer, I'm more an implementer. So you may find something very simple in the thumbnail example that they have here on the side. So let's say that I'm gonna be working on a cooking, and you can remove any elements that you're not gonna use. So let's say if I'm not gonna use this in here, and let's say that I don't want to subscribe because it's gonna be a course. But I like probably this look. So probably what I'm gonna do is, let's say that I'm gonna do something for cookies or something like that. So I'm gonna move this and I'm gonna go cookies. And then remove everything else. And now that I have my cookies thumbnail, again, let's say that I wanna add some cookies. So I don't like this background in here. You can come into elements and in here look for cookies. Graphics are like images, photos is high definition. So let's look for, I like this one. So when we bring it in, you're gonna see that it's over a lot of other stuff. So how do we fix that? Right click on it, replace background, good to go. Now, all that I need, if you want to keep this red or if you have a different branding, again, this is an example, doesn't have to be exactly. I'm gonna delete this part. Now that we have that ready, let me move myself. First thing that I do is that I name the file so I know that these are the courses. So I'm gonna go here, courses, thumbnails, and then I'm going to share. You have the download option. There are multiple ways of how to do this. One detail is that in the course, if you download an image that is larger than 1280 by 720, it's just a waste of space. So there's no need for it. The other detail, download it as a JPEG. Because when you download it as a JPEG, it's actually gonna download smaller. So I'm gonna click here, download as a JPEG. All this limit. So again, you can do this with a free account, no need for a paid account. Or if you don't have it, download. And now I'm gonna put this on my downloads folder real quick. And I have my image, and now I have my cookies in there. So there you have it. Now you created a thumbnail so you can add it to any of your course platforms that you use, doesn't matter which one is it. If it's ClickFunnels, Go High Level, Kajabi, Thinkific, Simply, whatever it is that you use. There it is how you can create your course thumbnail. Friends, we'll see you in my next video.